You may have seen videos like this before where people make thousands of dollars just by uploading animated videos. The good news is that competition in this field is low, so you can grow quickly and earn more money. You can publish these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and make money across all platforms. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos using artificial intelligence. So, without further ado, let's get started. To create any video, we first need a script. If you look at any of the animated videos, you'll notice they convey a message in a funny way, so we need to write a script that is funny and conveys a message. Let's do that using ChatGPT. After logging into your ChatGPT account, go to the input box and enter your request. I'll put the exact request in the description box. I want to create short, funny YouTube videos that convey a message. The video format will be a monologue. Can you write some scripts for me? You can also create scripts in a multi-person format. Okay, our script is ready now. Now we will convert the text to voice, and we will do that through the ElevenLabs website. ElevenLabs. This is by far the most realistic AI voiceover software there currently is, and they actually have a free plan which gives you 10 minutes of voice generation a month for free, which is more than enough for these short videos. If you go to Voices on the left side of the screen, and then to Library, you can pick from thousands of high-quality voices. I will need character voices and animations, then choose any voice you like.
I don't bite my tongue for nobody. If you don't like it, that ain't my problem. Search Aracita in the voice lab.
One of the advantages of being disorderly is that one is constantly...
I like this voice. Click on Add to My Voices, then Add Voice, and you will have the voice. Now go back to Speech and select the new voice we added, paste the first voice we copied from ChatGPT, and click on Generate Speech. This will create the first voice. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second text, return to ElevenLabs, paste it, and click on Generate Speech. Do this with the remaining texts until the last text. After that, name them in order of numbers. 1 for the first video, 2 for the second video, and so on, to keep the work organized. Then, you visit the Adobe website and log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll find a simple interface, and I'll explain to you in an easy way how to use this site to create creative videos. You can find the link to the site at the bottom of the video. Follow these steps. You will find many characters that you can use to create the video, but I will choose this character to apply the explanation on. Here, you will also find various video sizes, and you can choose any size you want, whether you want a long video or a short video size. Here, you will find a wide range of available backgrounds, but we will choose a green background, green screen, because we will edit the video later. The green screen allows us to add different backgrounds and visual details during the editing phase. Follow these steps. From here, you can add your own voice recording or upload a ready audio clip. In this tutorial, we will upload the audio that you converted earlier. We'll select audio clip number 1 and add it to the project. Then from here, we upload the video and repeat this method with all audio clips until we finish them all. To get a suitable background for your video, you can use Google search to find appropriate backgrounds. For example, you can search for the phrase cartoon bookshelf to add a unique touch to your video. After finding the suitable background, you can download it and use it in your project. I will choose this image as an example and upload it now. I will search on a table and say download it. I will choose this and download it. We will go to the CapCut tool, which is a professional editing tool I use to compile my videos, and it is completely free. I have already downloaded it, and I will enter and import all the files I need and start working. First, I will set the canvas and adjust the video dimensions to fit TikTok videos. After that, I will resize the canvas to suit my needs. This looks good now. Then I will extend the image along the timeline. Now I will place the first video in the timeline and remove the green background by clicking on the image and then on Remove BG. After that, I will go to Chroma Key and click on the green color in the video to make it disappear. Now I will add the table and adjust it to fit the scene. Then, I will add the fourth scene and remove the green background as we did before. Then change the character's color by clicking on it and going to Adjustment, then clicking on Basic and adjusting the settings to suit me in the scene. These settings work for me. Now I will place it in the right spot and add animation to it. I'll choose a suitable one, and this looks good, so I'll go ahead and select it. Now I'll fix the image so that the second character starts speaking by clicking here and extending the image to fit the scene. I'll quickly complete the remaining steps to keep the video from getting too long. The important thing is that you've understood the process. Now I'll add some sound effects, and here's the result.
All right, time to tackle this to-do list. How about a quick break first? Maybe a nap? No breaks. We've got work to do. Okay, just 5 minutes on Instagram? No way, that's an hour of scrolling. Fine. Can we at least multitask with some cat vid? Nice try, but no, we're focusing today. Fine. But we're watching a show tonight. Deal. Now let's get to work. Remember, stay focused and fight procrastination. Thanks for watching!
Well, you get the point. As you can see, these videos are extremely easy to make with the method I showed you, and I'd highly recommend you try out my ChatGPT prompts for yourself to speed up the process. And if you want to see more of these videos, you would really help me if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.